Hello, welcome to my class. Today I will talk about initials. Initials is the sound of consonant, and we will put it at the beginning. There are 19 initials and divided in 5 groups. The first group is called non-aspirate voiceless. It means when you pronounce the word, you shouldn't have the air out. How do you know it? You can put your hand in front of your mouth, or you can put the paper in front of your mouth. When you pronounce it, your hands shouldn't feel anything, or the paper shouldn't move. In this group, we have 5 initials. The first one is B, 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 B. The second one is D, 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 D. The third one is G, 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 G. These 3 just like English. And then next one is a little bit special. It is GW. Normally we need to ready our lip shape first and then pronounce it out. But for GW, we need to move our lip shape. So we need to ready a small round lip shape and then pronounce it. At the end will become big round. It is gua, gua, gua. The last one is Z. Z is called Z, Z, Z. Alright, that's it for the first group. Next time we'll continue another groups of initials. See you next time. Bye bye.